We are in Park City, Utah, in the Parley Summit neighborhood. We are in this beautiful mountain contemporary home, being isolated from the rest of the world a little bit. This house creates that perfectly for you. It brings in elements of fun, things that you can enjoy and have friends over. And with that fun comes healing and rejuvenation. And you become recharged and ready to take on the world when you go back into it. Through the front door, I'm immediately drawn to come down these stairs into this entry hallway. And through the entry hallway, your eye is brought to this amazing great room, which opens up for you as you approach these stairs. You have this amazing kitchen, a great dining space, and a fireplace. But what speaks to me the most are these windows that embrace you and pull your attention to the outside, where you see these amazing trees and this absolutely beautiful mountainside. One of the things that I noticed when I walked into the house is the desire to bring the outside in, and the way that they bring nature into the house is just seamless. So this is the primary suite's bathroom, and it has what we call a wet room. So it has the shower, and in the shower is the best bathtub I've ever seen in a house. It's deep and it has a seat for you, and you can have your glass of wine here, maybe looking out the window. This is a good Thursday night if you ask me. So I wake up in the morning here in this owner's suite, and I just see nature. And I'm ready for some coffee. So it's time to go to the kitchen. And I grab my oat milk out of the fridge and come over here. My machine's just set up right here. I can just see straight out this window. Or I'm lucky enough to have somebody bring me an amazing coffee, and I want to enjoy it outside. So just steps away from the bed, you can walk out onto this amazing deck with these views. And so you go from your private morning space to having a cocktail with your friends back here. You get your friends over, some good food, something to drink. Those conversations go late into the night, and this is a great spot for that to happen. The other good thing about this house is it is large and it's contemporary, but they have been very careful about the size and very careful about bringing in elements to soften the edges of the contemporary feel, like sinks from an old bathroom, or the countertop in the kitchen is an old bowling alley. So this island is for somebody who appreciates old things in new spaces. Throughout this house, the owners have put subtle touches into the house that help you appreciate originality. Here in the kitchen, the island is topped with a bowling alley that was taken from the owner's hometown in Ohio. And this house makes some of those necessities of life enjoyable. Like here, you can be doing your dishes and looking out and watching the world go by. Yeah, you could definitely get lost just looking out this window.
As you get lost.
Yeah, I did. I totally got lost. That was crazy. Sunny, snowy, rainy, doesn't matter. Nature's putting on a show. Fall in this house. I mean, you just look out and you see the leaves change. All the aspens are going to turn bright yellow, and you've got some reds mixed in there, and the evergreens are going to stay green. It's just going to be beautiful. Just finished skiing. I've come in the house. I'm cold. I'm tired. I'm hungry. And all I want to do is relax. I have a nice soft chair here, maybe Netflix going over here, and I start the fireplace and I can get nice and warm. I was like, oh, hello, welcome to my sauna. It's been a long day. On this patio, they have this sauna. And what else would you want after a long day of skiing than a sauna? This is exactly where I would want to go. This home feels like that favorite bar. This is where you're going here, you're gonna have a good time, and you're gonna be able to put your feet up and just have a good weekend. Now to have a glass of wine or a whiskey or something and just sit here and swing and just enjoy where I'm at. Because I think in life it's important to slow down and to not think so much. And this house gives you a lot of opportunities to do that. Let's all thank Team 88, Helen and Ree, for letting us into this beautiful space to take a look. And if you need any more information, it is in the description below. If you don't want to miss out on any more beautiful houses, you're going to want to subscribe.